Here is how to create a form in monday.com step by step. Begin by signing in to your monday.com account. Once you are on the main workspace, give the page a moment to load if needed, then move to the board where you want the form to collect responses. The form is tied to that board, so make sure you open the correct one before you continue. With the board open, look for the plus button near the board views or options area. Click the plus button, choose More from the menu that appears, and then select Form. This opens the form creation flow for the board you already chose, which means the form can connect directly to the board structure you are using. When the form creation page appears, select Start from Scratch. This takes you into a new blank form instead of using a preset layout. If you see multiple setup choices on screen, stay with the option to begin from scratch so you can build the form around the exact board fields you want to use. After that, click Edit Form. This opens the form editor, where you can customize what people will see when they fill out the form. At this point, you are no longer just viewing the form setup page. You are now inside the area where the form content is managed. Next, click Add Content. From there, choose the questions or board columns you want to include in the form. As you add items, you are deciding what information the form will collect from anyone who opens it. Depending on your board, these may match existing columns such as text fields, status fields, date fields, or other question types available from your setup. Add only the items you want people to complete through the form. As you work through the editor, keep your focus on the fields that matter for this board. Since the form is connected to board columns, selecting the right columns here affects the information that will be submitted later. If something does not belong in the form, leave it out and continue with the fields you do need. Once the form content is in place and the form is ready, click Share Form. This gives you the option to copy the form link so you can send it wherever it needs to go. Share it with the people who need to fill it out using the copied link from monday.com. That is the full process from signing in and opening a board to creating a form from scratch, editing it, adding content, and getting the link ready to share. Your Monday.com form is now created and ready to share from your board.